Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you? Am I audible, everyone? Yes. Okay. So, have you gone through this domestic circuit? आपने पढ़ा? I asked you to go through this domestic electric circuit. Gone through that? Yes. Okay. So, इसमें let's say if you have gone through that, let's just see if you can answer or not. First of all, different wires हमें पता होगा, live wire, neutral wire, and everything. ठीक है? मुझे बताओ आंसर में this. What is the voltage that we receive at our homes? What is the voltage that we receive at our homes? Domestic circuit में voltage Yeah. Am I audible now? Sorry everyone, I had an issue with the internet. So am I audible now? We are facing issues with the internet. So if there is any difficulty, like you're not able to hear it properly or anything like that, just mention. Okay. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll play Kahoot. Okay, we'll do that. But before that, we'll just complete this. I mean, let's just complete the domestic electric circuit. It takes 10 minutes or right. 10 minutes में खत्म हो ही जाएगा. So I asked you to revise and come, like read and come. So let's see how many of you have read and come. Domestic circuits में potential. Domestic circuits में voltage or potential. How much will it be? How much will the voltage be in the domestic circuits? How much will the voltage be for domestic circuits? The standard value, it will be for 220 volts. कितना होगा? 220 volts. The standard value, well, that's the value which we follow. Okay? So different countries follow different standards. India follows 220 volts. You can go to any other country, it need not be 220, it can also be 200 volts or any other value. Depends. Okay? Depends on country to country. We follow 220 volts. Okay? Yes? No. Different types of wire. We have live wire. So diagram is more important. Okay? Diagram draw करना आना चाहिए आपको. So we have live wire, neutral wire, and then the earth wire. So just tell me the colors. Live wire का color क्या होगा? Live wire का color क्या होगा? Live wire का color क्या होगा? It will be that simple. ठीक है. न्यूट्रल वायर का क्या होगा? न्यूट्रल वायर के लिए इट इज ब्लैक एंड देन एर्थ के लिए इट इज ग्रीन. गुड है. नाउ सॉकेट्स में ये सॉकेट दैट गोज फॉर अर्थ. अब ये वाला कौन सा होगा? द लेफ्ट वन विल बी फॉर लाइव और न्यूट्रल. यू नो द लेफ्ट होल विल बी फॉर लाइव और न्यूट्रल. लेफ्ट वाला होल किसके लिए होगा? इट विल बी फॉर लाइव एंड राइट वाला इट विल बी फॉर न्यूट्रल. ठीक है. Some instruments it doesn't matter how you insert them, live and neutral you can interchange, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जैसे if you take mobile charger, doesn't matter if you interchange. ठीक है. But in some devices it matters, depends. But आपको तो ये याद रखना होगा, right? This earth, live and neutral, socket connection. ठीक. Good enough. Then मुझे बताओ different values of current. मतलब do we use 5 ampere current in our circuit? Like, do our circuits or switches use 5 ampere of current? Do they provide 5 ampere of current? If you have gone through NCERT, it would be there. The circuits support different values of current. So do they support 5 ampere of current? Yes or no? Yeah. Do the domestic circuits support 5 ampere of current? Yes. Okay. What is the other value of current that the domestic circuits support? Current supported by domestic circuit. One is 5 ampere generally, okay, common. Then the other one will be, one value is 5 ampere, the other one is 5 ampere and एक और कौन सा? Yeah is correct. बाकी सब. One value is 5 ampere, the other one will be कौन सा? The other one will be 15 amperes. ठीक है? Generally the switches will be for 5 ampere and 15 ampere. ठीक है? जैसे ये स्विचेस होते हैं ना, ये एसी के लिए स्विच हो गया, और जनरली फैन के लिए स्विच होता है ना, स्विच फॉर फैन, नॉर्मल फैन, नॉर्मल मोबाइल चार्जर के लिए, राइट? फॉर देम इनका करंट रेटिंग अलग होगा. वो सेपरेट डिवाइस है. जैसे एसी के लिए इट्स ए सेपरेट रेटिंग ऑल टुगेदर. इफ यू लुक एट द स्विचेस आल्सो, इसका स्विच ही अलग तरीके से होगा, राइट? All of, like, depending on the devices, depending on the usage, there are different uses, there are different ratings. Okay, two common ratings, common current ratings, current supported are 5 ampere and 15 ampere. Clear? Yes. Okay, good enough. Then yeah, then can someone tell me in which cases does overloading happen? Overloading of circuit, when does that happen? बता दो कोई. Let's see how many of you will be able to tell. Overloading, when does that happen? First of all, overloading का मतलब क्या होगा? ठीक है, I'll go into that. I'm getting some answers here. Less voltage नहीं होगा, not in. ठीक है. When does that happen? Connecting many appliances. Connecting many appliances. One is done. इसके अलावा बाकी दोनों दे दो. Tripping happens when overloading happens. Tripping is safety measure. So when does overloading occur? That's what I'm asking. When large current is passed. Okay, two. When is large current passed? Good. When live wire and neutral wire come in contact. Now what is like when What is this called as when live wire and neutral wire come in contact? It's called as short circuiting. Okay? Basically short circuit. Okay. Then third, or concept. Apart from these two, is there any other reason because of which overloading can occur? Yeah. Any other reason? Short circuit हो गया. Second point itself is short circuit. Yes. Anyone? दो reasons हो गया. There is another reason. Yeah. If you have gone through NCERT, you would have understood things. बता दो. Excessive amount of current, I agree, but when does that excessive amount of current pass? That's the question. Overloading itself will mean excessive current will pass. Low resistance, ठीक है, but resistance अचानक से कम नहीं होगा ना. Resistance तो रहेगा, not in terms of resistance. Chinmay is correct. High voltage supply. Now high voltage supply क्या होगा? What we call this? Voltage fluctuations. Okay, गलती से अगर मान लो high voltage supply हुआ गलती से, ठीक है, because of any issue with the transformer or any part, if because of voltage fluctuations. Okay, if a high voltage is supplied, then क्या हो जाएगा? Greater current will flow. If more current flows, that's called as overloading of circuit. In these three cases, overloading can take place. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Yes. Yes or no? ठीक है. Good enough. Right. Now मुझे बता दो. What is short circuiting? ठीक है, differentiate between short circuiting and overloading. तो short circuiting क्या होता है? What is short circuiting? Yeah, Renuka is correct. Okay, sir. What is short circuiting? ये जो second point लिखा ना हमने, you can look at second point. Right? That second point itself is called as short circuiting. Okay? When live wire and neutral wire come in contact, it is said that they are short circuited. समझ आ रहा है ना? जितना छोटा चीज है ना समझ में आना चाहिए. बस एक लाइव वायर है, न्यूट्रल वायर है, दोनों कांटेक्ट में हो, बस दैट्स इट. राइट, आ सकते हैं ना, गलती से टच हो गया. मान लो कि सर्किट में पानी चला गया, वाटर एक्सेस है कंडक्टर, राइट, तब ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो जाएगा? लाइव एंड न्यूट्रल कांटेक्ट में आया होगा. राइट, समझ आ रहा है ना? तो शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग, सो यू हैव टू प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग एंड ओवरलोडिंग. ठीक है? What does short circuiting mean? Short circuiting means that it's a case when live wire and neutral wire come in contact. Live wire and neutral wire come in contact because of any reason, कोई भी reason. ठीक है? The circuit is said to be short circuit. Okay, it is said to be short circuit. ठीक है? Now, why is short circuiting like आपने सुना होगा कि because of short circuiting fire accidents have occurred. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why is short circuiting harmful? Like why is it not desirable? Yeah, anyone? Why is short circuiting not desirable? So what happens when live wire and neutral wire come in contact? क्या होगा? I'll take an example. Until then, can anyone tell me what happens when live wire and neutral wire come in contact? Yes. Such I'll make use of the diagram shown here. Okay. बता दो तब तक. That's simple answer. It's a very simple one. क्या होगा? Heat generation is huge. Fuse से कोई मतलब नहीं ना. Talking about what happens when short circuiting takes place. Right. So यहाँ पे sudden outburst of current, heat generation is huge, excessive current flow. Right. Good. So generally your answers are correct. Let's see. Let's describe what will happen. अब देखो. यहाँ पे look at the diagram here. I just copied the diagram in NCERT. So let me again draw that for our sakes. Right. See. For you to be able to, मतलब you have to be able to draw the circuit properly. Now, if you look at this, anywhere is the live wire and neutral wire directly connected? Are they directly connected? They are not directly connected at anywhere. कहीं भी देखो. You can look at anywhere. They are not directly connected. Yes. Right. अब देखो यहाँ पे. Just a minute. Right. अब देखो what happens is all of them has like all these branches has some sort of resistance. मतलब यहाँ पे they're connected to a switch. That switch will be connected to an electrical circuit. कुछ कोई ना कोई connection होगा, right? If there is any such connection, इसका मतलब क्या? What does that mean? It means there is a bulb. Bulb imagine कर लो. Bulb मतलब क्या होगा? There is a resistance. There is some sort of resistance, right? But अगर मान लो resistance तो है ही वहाँ पे. But if I connect them here itself, मान लो यहाँ पे बीच में connect कर दिया हमने. मतलब गलती से connect हो गया. Live wire and neutral wire directly come in contact here. तब क्या हो जाएगा? तब तो कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है ना. वो बाकी सबसे कोई मतलब नहीं. डायरेक्टली करंट कैन फ्लो फ्रॉम लाइव वायर में आ जाएगा एंड डायरेक्टली न्यूट्रल वायर में निकल जाएगा. तो डायरेक्टली गो फ्रॉम लाइव वायर टू न्यूट्रल वायर. सो इफ आई लुक एट दैट पाथ, डिड द रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज? क्या होगा? व्हेन द लाइव वायर एंड न्यूट्रल वायर कम इन कांटेक्ट, डज द रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज? लुक एट द करंट पाथ एंड टेल. करंट फ्लो के लिए रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा? Will decrease. See, if you look at it initially क्या था वहाँ पे? Initially तो बस करंट के लिए ये सब लाइव वायर से लेकर then it has to go into the resistance, then again join होगा, then वापस चला जाएगा. That's how it works. But when they are connected, उसको करंट को बाकी सब में जाने का जरूरत भी नहीं है. Current need not go into the resistance. It will directly go from the live wire to the neutral wire. बस खत्म. Right? Directly go from the live to neutral. हो गया. कोई resistance कुछ नहीं है. तो resistance decreases. मतलब resistance drastically decreases. अगर resistance decrease हो जाएगा तो current क्या होगा? हाँ? Resistance अगर decrease हो भी जाएगा तो current का क्या होगा? Current बढ़ेगा या कम होगा? Current will increase. Current will increase. Current increases. करंट इंक्रीजेस मतलब ओवरलोडिंग हैपेंस, ठीक है, क्या होगा, ओवरलोडिंग हैपेंस, might happen, ऐसा नहीं कि happens but might happen, right, overloading might occur, समझ आ रहा है ना सबको? So short circuiting is one reason, only one of the reasons because of which overloading can take place. There are other reasons also, ठीक है? See, in simple terms आपको इतना याद रखना होगा, short circuiting will mean live wire and neutral wire will come in contact by any way, कैसे भी आने दो, ठीक है, आ गया. Then what will happen? Once they come in contact, current will drastically increase. वो आपको याद रखना हो, क्या हो जाएगा? Current flow will increase. Current का जो value है increases. Current increases मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? Overloading will take place. क्या हो जाएगा? Overloading might occur. Clear? समझ आया ना सबको? Yes. So second वाला क्या होगा? It's nothing but short circuiting. ठीक है? Clear, right? अब तो clear होना चाहिए. अब heavy current will flow का मतलब क्या होगा? If heavy current flows, then heat generated भी ज्यादा होगा. Overloading में क्या हो जाएगा? Heat energy will increase, right? Heat generated increases. Chances that the wire may burn. अगर एक जगह आग लग गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? पूरा आग लग जाएगा. Like the complete house will burn. Chances, again, there are chances, right? That's why short circuiting often leads to fire accidents if you do not take proper precautions, proper safety measures. What will happen? Short circuiting can lead to fire accidents. Okay, so that's why this short circuiting is very dangerous. You have to be very careful with short circuiting. Okay, समझ आया ना? This is what happens, right? Clear? अब fuse क्या होगा? What is a fuse? Like what does a fuse do? Fuse में क्या होगा? Fuse में like every fuse will have a rating. First main point is every fuse will have a current rating. ठीक है? अब fuse is safety device. Safety device. It does not control excessive current flow. What happens is if current greater than the rating, greater than the safety value. Safety value मतलब क्या होगा? The rating itself is a safety value. ठीक है? If current greater than the safety value flows, the fuse burns. अगर burn हो गया तो क्या होगा? Fuse अगर burn हो जाएगा, circuit breaks. And if circuit breaks, will the current flow? If the circuit breaks, will the current flow? नहीं, flow नहीं होगा ना उसके बाद, तो उसके बाद then we are safe. Circuit breaks, current flow stops, right? And it protects. And thus, fuse protects from overloading. देखो नहीं आ रही? Fuse protects from overload. ठीक है? समझ आए ना? Simple steps, right? Now, what is a fuse made up of? It is made up of a wire of low melting point. Why low melting point? कोई बोल सकते क्या? It's made up of a wire of low melting point. But why low melting point? मतलब low melting point क्यों होना चाहिए वहाँ पे? Why can't it have high melting point? Why the specific requirement that it should have low melting point? Anyone? think we already read about this views, but वापस बता दो. So that it easily melts. Simple. It easily melts. So that it easily melts. और कुछ नहीं. Right? Clear, right? समझ आ गया ना? Yes. ठीक है? ठीक है. So now then let's go into. कोई डाउट है किसी को? No? अच्छा ठीक है. So I'll also go into module. Module में भी कुछ questions हैं जिसको discuss करना होगा. We'll discuss them. They are completely theoretical, so that you will be able to do. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go into the Kahoot. We'll try to play Kahoot. Okay, but not of this chapter. We'll do it for the current chapter. Okay, कौन सा chapter के लिए? Electric current. Okay, so let's go into that. I'll share the screen with you. All of you know how to log into Kahoot, right? You know how to log into Kahoot, right? So open Kahoot.it. Do it. Kahoot.it. Or you can also open the app. Anyone should be fine. Do it. Okay. So let me share the screen with you. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Join until then. Karo. The game pin is in front of you, right in front of you. I've shared the screen. Everyone join fast. It's based on current chapter. I hope you remember things. आसानी होगा. Simple, straightforward questions. Let's see how many of you will be able to remember. Thirty of you have joined. बाकी लोग भी join कर लो एक बार. Okay, let me start then. Okay. Is there anyone else who has to join? बाकी बहुत लोग हैं जिसको join करना होगा. And ये मत सोचना कि will not get to know the names of who haven't joined. At the end, I'll get a sheet. पूरा WhatsApp Excel sheet मिलता है हमें. We get a report of whoever has joined. It's not a test and all. So your score and all, I'm not going to that. But If you do not join, then that's something serious. Okay. So I'll give you 1 minute of time. Join fast. So let me start then. Okay. Let me start. Yeah. Let's go into the question. It's a simple question. Let's see. Right. So majority of you have got it right, and only 30 of you have answered. Only 30 of you have answered, right? So let's say it's a simple question. The instrument used to measure the electric current is, right? So obviously it is ammeter. Then आपको पूछेगा सर गैल्वेनोमीटर का क्या हो गया? The galvanometer is used to detect current, मतलब whether the current will flow or not. That's it. Okay, it will detect the current, that is whether it is flowing or not. काम वहीं तक खत्म हो जाएगा. It's not a suitable instrument to actually measure the amount of current. So that's why we take only ammeter, and obviously it's not voltmeter. Voltmeter किसके लिए? Potential difference के लिए होगा ना? Right? Potentiometer के बारे में तो आपने कभी सुना ही नहीं है. अच्छा हो गया कि किसी ने उसको मार्क नहीं किया. Right? So you haven't heard about it. सुना होगा आपने शायद. But potentiometer is again something like similar to voltmeter in the sense it also measures potential difference, but it is used in specific cases. Potentiometer is used in very specific cases. So अगर आपको पूछा गया which instrument is used to measure potential also, then also you can go for voltmeter itself. So let's go into the score. Let's see क्या होगा.
Sir,
There is someone by the name 123. Let's see who that 123 is later on. I'll even get to know that. But apart from that, Ananya, Snigdho, Renuka, and right, good enough. Good. So let's see. We have 4 questions more. So let's see what will happen. Okay. The first question is done. We'll go into the second question also. Let's go into the second one. The game pin is given right at the bottom. The game pin is given 551859. Can even join in between also because it's still open. Okay. Question won't come on your mobile screen. Question आपको यहाँ देखना होगा मेरा स्क्रीन के ऊपर. ठीक है. Question आपको मेरा स्क्रीन के ऊपर देखना होता है ना. Right. So let's see. So again, what was the question here? Simple question again. The SI unit of resistance, right? It's ohm. Very simple. Ampere किसका होगा? Ampere is for current, right? So ampere is wrong. Volt तो potential के लिए होगा. वो गलत. Faraday तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं, कभी सुना ही नहीं हम उसके बारे में. Faraday एक इंसान है. We know that he is someone, right? He is a scientist and all. But again, there is no such unit on him about which we have heard of until now. So कोई मतलब नहीं उससे. Obviously, the current is ohm. We need not even go into the other options. Pretty sure that it is ohm. We just mark ohm. That's it. Okay. So let's now go into the score. क्या होगा and all. Yeah. So Renuka has come up. Good. Renuka is now in the first position. Then Shanti. Then Snigdho, Dhruv and Afak. I think Dhruv has come into. Dhruv and Renuka have come for the first time, right? I don't exactly remember कि कौन था. That's fine. It's good. Some of you have maintained your positions. Snigdha and Afaq have maintained your position. The others have come up. Good. Keep this up. There are still 3 more questions. Anything might happen. But remember, your main priority should be to get all the questions right. Get all of them right, and that's more than enough. Good enough. Okay. So let's go into the other one also. The third one. So the time is up, and we have got some options here. And what's happened is majority of you have gone for resistance, and that's not the correct answer. Now, why is it not the correct option? So that's the question here. Ohm's law क्या होगा? We all of us know that Ohm's law is equal to Ohm's law is what? V is equal to IR. So if V is equal to IR, then the potential difference should be directly proportional to current as well as the resistance. Sir, दोनों options सही होना चाहिए ना? So why only current? Why are we not taking it as resistance? And there comes the interesting part. देखो question में क्या पूछा उन्होंने? I'll read it out. According to Ohm's law, for a given metallic wire मतलब wire is fixed. आपके पास एक ही वायर है, the wire doesn't change. अगर एक ही वायर है आपके हाथ में, then उसका तो resistance fixed होगा ना. If you only have one wire, उसका resistance fixed. Resistance change नहीं होगा until and unless you change the wire itself. But wire तो change नहीं करोगे. क्यों? Because आपके पास एक ही वायर है. For a given metallic wire, it means एक वायर है fixed. उसी वायर को आपको यूज करना होगा. ठीक है? So if the wire is constant, resistance will be constant. Resistance change नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. So if resistance is constant, तब तो potential difference बस current के ऊपर ही depend करेगा. It will only depend on the current. It will not depend on resistance. क्यों? Because एक वायर के लिए resistance जो है वो fixed होगा. Resistance will be fixed. Clear? ठीक है. Then I'll go into the next one. Before that, let's also go into the score. अब gravitational force and pressure तो पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया, but इससे तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, right? So let's go into the scoreboard now. Let's see. Afaq has come to the first position. Good, Afaq. Give this up. Snigdha second. I think from third you came to second, right? Ananya, Krish, and Mohit have come into the first 5 for the first. पहली बार है ना? They come into the first five for the first time. Good. Keep this up. So let's see. 2 more questions remaining. So we'll also see what will happen. Then I'll go into the next one. Next one क्या होगा? Right, so the majority of you have got it right. Good, keep it up. But some of you have seen that 8 of you have gone into conductance. Blue wall option. अब देखो यहाँ देखो. The obstruction offered by material of a conductor through the passage of electric current. मतलब obstruction to current. वही resistance होगा ना. Resistance का मतलब it will oppose the current. Resist the current. It will obstruct the current. Synonymous words. ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हैं ना? Resist, obstruct, oppose. Synonymous, right? But resistance and conductance उल्टा होगा ना? Conduct मतलब allow it to pass. Pass करने दोगे, right? Conductance कुछ और है. Conductance it is the opposite of obstruction, opposite of resistance. So obviously conductance तो गलत है यहाँ पे. We need what does obstruction refer to? It refers to resistance. So the yellow one is the correct option. Good. Majority of you have got it right. So let's go into the option. Scoreboard first. I think there's a change between Krish and Ananya. Baki सब the positions are the same. Krish has come to third. Ananya has stepped down to fourth. Still have one question. Let's see what will happen. But the others are still there itself. Afak is at the first. Good, Afak. Snigdho second. Then Krish, Ananya, and Mohit. Good. Then I'll go into the next one also. Out of time. So let's see. Charge on an electron is. We know the value. याद रखना ही होगा. Minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 in coulombs. अब देखो. What are the other options? 1.9 in 10 to the power 20. वो तो गलत है. जाने दो. Right. But one of you got it. One of your marked it as red. तो गलत ही है. Right. So only the blue one is correct. बाकी दोनों options, बाकी तीनों options directly गलत है. It's a fixed value, so we cannot go wrong with that. Okay, minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. Simple. Okay, so let's go into the scoreboard. Let's see who is at the third position. At the third, we have Afak. Afak came down to the third. Nico is at second. So let's see who is at the first then. First में कौन आया होगा? Krish. Wow, good. Right, and Ananya and Neha are at the fourth and fifth. Ananya at fourth and Neha at fifth. Good. Right. Simple. It was simple game. Right. Simple game. Course first, second, third, and all. It's only for our fun. Okay. Good enough, right? Take it. So, एक और खेलना है क्या? Do you need one more Kahoot or I have to go into the module? एक और चाहिए आपको? One more? अच्छा ठीक है, I'll go into one more Kahoot then. Okay, let's go into one more Kahoot. Just a minute then. I'll share the code with you. ठीक है? एक मिनट. Yeah. So. So I'll give you options. Should we play off इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खेलना है कि आपको लाइट के ऊपर? थिंग इज लाइट हमने डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट स्कूल में तो खत्म हुआ होगा. चलो we'll go into electricity itself. That will be comfortable for all of us. So I'll go into the complete one. We have 10 questions now. 10 question है यहाँ पे. 10 question, right? So 10 questions. So we'll go into the 10 one. Thing is, we do not have a Kahoot on magnetism part. So for the next class, I'll create one. I'll myself create a Kahoot on magnetism. Okay. For now, I'll go with electricity itself. Okay. So I'll go into the other one. Now we have 10 questions. Right. It will be from the complete chapter of electricity. So let's go into that. So the code will appear to you. You'll have to type it. Just a minute. The code is here, so enter it. Join using this code. Is there anyone else who has to join? I think majority of you joined. और कोई है जिसको join करना होगा? Anyone else has to join? No? So let me start then. Let me go into this. Start this. Let's go into this. Look at the screen. Question ये था, metallic conductor has loosely bound electrons called free electrons. अब देखो, now कोई कंडक्टर ले लो, कोई भी कंडक्टर, उस कंडक्टर में तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहेंगे, राइट? अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ साथ क्या होगा? यू विल आल्सो हैव द न्यूक्लियस, राइट? न्यूक्लियस भी तो रहेगा, तो टोटल चार्ज वहां पे जीरो हो जाएगा, ठीक है? आई एक्सप्लेन दिस, इट टेक्स टाइम टू एक्सप्लेन, इतना भी टाइम नहीं लगेगा. आई एक्सप्लेन दिस, बट ओनली 8 ऑफ यू हैव गॉट इट करेक्ट, ठीक है? दैट्स वन ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, but a good question. We'll go into that. So let's go into the next one. I'll explain this at the end. So as of now, let's go into the next one. But let's go into score first. Score kya ho? Score Krish is at the first. Good. Chinmay second. Sujan third. Prajwal and Sindhu and fourth and fifth. Good. Let's hope that this time I'll find some new names. Krish is again the common name. Well, let's see. I want new names now, and Baki the other ones try to maintain your rank. Try to maintain your position. Okay, let's try doing that. Okay. Second question then. Three, two, and then one. So this time, majority of you have got it correct. Good. 15 of you have got it correct. Still, there are many who have got it wrong. The question is, which of the following expressions does not represent electric power? Electric power का formula क्या होगा? Power का formula I square R, I square into R. So I square by R is not the formula, so it does not represent. Right? Simple. So the blue one would have been the correct option. Let's go into the next question then. Before that, let's go into the scoreboard. Let's see. Come. Maurya has come at the first. Good. Krish second. Suhan has come to the third position. Good. Ananya and then Jaita. Okay. So this time I'm finding some new names. Good. Right. So keep this up. Let's go into third question then. Let's see what will happen. Right. I think this is good. 31 of you have got it correct. Good. 9 of you have marked it as length, but हमने particularly discuss किया कि resistivity does not depend on length, shape, area, कुछ भी नहीं. It only depends on nature of material and temperature. बस nature of material and temperature. Resistivity, right? So good. Majority 31 of you have got it correct. Good. Let's go into the scoreboard now. Maurya in the first, Krish, Jaida third, Suhan and Ananya fourth and fifth. Okay. So let's see what will happen. Okay. There's only 3 questions until now. Let's go into the other ones also. Then the other question, you have it. (42) answers. We still have much more time. Yeah, all of you have got it correct. Let's see what's going to happen. Not all of you, sorry. 21 of you have got it correct. Right, so we'll also discuss this question. We'll discuss it. Now, for now, let's go into scoreboard. Maurya and Krish are maintaining their position. Maurya is at the first. G. Maurya the first. Krish the second. Ananya has come up third. Ankit has come up fourth. And Snigdho has also come up to fifth place. Good. Let's go into the other question now. The fifth one. Yeah, so the resistance of the conductor is R. If the length is doubled, then what will happen to its new resistance? Majority of you have marked it as blue, and blue has gone wrong. Yes, I agree, right? So that's again interesting question. We'll go into the answer. The answer is 4R. I'll also explain to you why it is 4R. Okay. So let's go into the next question as of now. Okay. The next question. Before that, let's go into the scoreboard. Ankit has come up to first position. Good, Ankit. Sujan second. Maurya has come down to third. Krish to fourth, and Ananya to fifth. That's it. We have 5 more questions remaining, so let's go into that. So next question is going to come up on the screen. That's it. I think almost all of you have answered. 43 automatically for that. So let's see. We still have time. So 32 of you have got it correct. Good. Then simple one again. Okay, we'll discuss it. We'll also discuss this. Time is more important, right? So next question. Before that, Ankit is maintaining his first position. Maurya has come to second. Krish third. Ananya fourth and Snigdho fifth. Right? So all of you have come up and Ankit is maintaining his position. Ankit try to maintain that and others try to get the first position. Or right? Let's go into the next one then. Yeah. How much class? This is a good question. It involves calculation. So let's see what is the calculation based on. Right, देखो यहाँ पे power दे दिया उन्होंने 1500 watt and how much heat is produced per hour. 1500 watt will mean 1 second में 1500 joules. So 1 hour में कितना होगा? You just have to multiply with 1 hour. और देखो यहाँ पे 1 second के लिए 1500 watt. 1 hour has how many seconds? 3600. So 1500 into 3600. You have to multiply and you would have got the answer. See, many of you have marked it as blue also. You might have got confused with the zeros. That's why the calculation part is important, but still, it's glad enough that many of you have got it. The majority is for the correct answer. Good. So let's go into the scoreboard now. Let's see. So we also have some streaks coming up, I think. For that, Maurya is still win. Maurya has come to the first position. Good. Ananya, Snigdho, and then Mohit is in the fifth position. Sorry, Mohit, did you quit? अगर quit हुआ होगा तो वापस join कर लेना. Join again, okay? Mohit, did you quit or what? Because your name vanished from here. Network gets to join again. Until then, I'll go into the next one. Mohit, did you join? Join करने के बाद एक बार message कर दो. Make it fast. Join. So let's go into the next one then. So 3, 2, 1. That's it. Many of you have got it correct. Good. It's just charge into volt. Right? Good enough. Okay? सॉरी यहाँ पे ना Kahoot itself is wrong. Okay, जिसने भी blue mark किया those were correct, but the Kahoot is showing it as green is correct. That's not true. वो गलत है. The blue one itself is correct. Okay, work done to move 1 coulomb charge from one point to another point on a charged conductor having potential 10 volt. Charge into volt ही होगा, so blue वाला option सही होगा. So this is wrong. So ठीक है, we'll find. It's fine. Let's just going to score. I'll skip it. Then we got the ninth question then. Almost out of time, and that's it. Right, so good. Majority of you have got it correct. What is the maximum resistance which can be made using 5 resistors each of 1 by 5 ohm? Just have to join all of them in series. 1 by 5 into 5 हो जाएगा. That's 1. Okay. That's all. We are out of. We have one more question then. Let's see what's going to happen. But Afaq has come to the 5th position, and all others are the same. Maurya, Ananya, Snigdho, Ankit, and Afaq. Then the last question. Right, see. Many of you are marked as kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour किसका energy होगा? किसका unit होगा? Sorry. It's a unit of energy. ठीक है? It's a unit of energy, not power. तो blue तो गलत हो ही गया. Volt into ampere कैसे correct होगा? We know that power P is equal to VI. VI मतलब voltage into ampere. Okay. So let's go into the final scoreboard then. Let's go into that. Third position is Krish. Second goes to Ananya, and let's see who is at the first. Maurya, good Maurya. Good. And Snigdho and Ankit for fourth and fifth. Right? Good everyone. So whenever we have a chance, we'll try to go for other Kahoot also. Okay? So as of now, let me go into the module. Okay? Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll leave the module to you. मतलब देखो direct question है इसमें देखो. Only the last 0.5 is remaining. बाकी सब खत्म हो चुका है. So let's go into the module first. यहाँ पे I'll do this part to you. जितने भी questions है, all of them are theoretical. Already हमने discuss किया. Read out the questions to you. What is an electric generator? पता होगा आपको. State the principle of electric generator. Discussed. What is alternating current and direct current? Discussed. What is the function of brushes in an electric generator? Discussed. What is a commutator? Discussed already. Direction reverse करने के लिए. What does it? How does it bring direct current? It maintains current constant. AC generator में. Yes. Commutator मतलब you can think about it as slip rings. Okay. कौन सा ring? Sorry, split ring. Split ring. Commutator will mean split rings. And sixth, what do you mean by earthing? Why is it necessary to earth the metallic appliances? Discuss किया हमने. What is the role of fuse? Just आज ही discuss किया. ठीक है? Explain what is short circuiting. वो भी discuss किया. Right? Explain the working of an electric generator. ठीक है? So these are theoretical questions जो already आपको पता होगा. ठीक है? So I'll leave that part to you. पूरा कर लेना. Complete all of them. Okay. So by the next class आपका module पूरा खत्म होना चाहिए. Okay. And this Sunday you'll have a chapter test on this chapter. इस chapter के ऊपर you'll have a chapter test. ठीक है? Clear? So now we'll go into that Kahoot questions. So Kahoot questions थे. Let's go into them. Let's just a minute. Okay. Let me go into the question here. So I'll go into the first condition. First one, just a minute. Look at this. A metallic conductor. A metallic conductor has loosely bound electrons called free electrons. The metallic conductor is. अच्छा, इससे पहले मुझे बता दो, metallic conductor में ऐसे free electrons कहाँ से आएंगे?